Hello my friends, how have you been? These are charming bloom flowers from my garden. Today, I would like to share with you how to use its roots to make tea to protect our lungs. According to Chinese traditional medicine, when autumn approaching, we need to protect our lungs well. Our lungs need to stay moist but not damp, cool but not cold. If our lungs and throats are well protected, then we could spend the whole autumn and winter healthily. Bloom flower root contains plenty of saponins and inulin. For more than 2,000 years, it has been traditionally used for the treatment of cold and cough respiratory health. It is the principal herb in Chinese medicine for diseases of the lungs and the throat. Is commonly used for inflammatory conditions of the eyes, ears, and sinuses. Bloom flower roots reduce phlegm, and as an expectorant, it is used to open the lungs when they are congested and help the body get rid of pus due to a lung abscess. It can be used for tea, salad, soup, and pickled side dishes, even sweets. But the pregnant women are suggested not to take too much. The recipe today is very easy, with only natural ingredients, the bloom flower roots, sugar or honey, and the pears. Pears are the most common kitchen medicine in China. Pear helps moisten the lungs, and it's easy to digest. First, cut it into small pieces. Try not adding water, or only add the minimal amount of water. It's better to use honey here. It helps more for the throat. But as I didn't have time to buy, let me just use the sugar here. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Later, the syrup will splash high, so use the foil to cover the surrounding area. It will be easier to clean later. During the cooking process, stir constantly. Boil it until very sticky and thick. After it cools down, put it into a jar. Then store it in the refrigerator. Every day when you want to drink, just take 1 spoon and mix well with the boiling water. Then our bloom flower root tea is ready. The root itself has a slightly bitter taste with a ginseng-like smell. But when mixed with pears, it becomes delicious and easy to drink. I hope with this easy recipe, it can help you and your family to have a better winter. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again.